My name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make taro tea. Now, taro is a plant that looks and tastes very much like a potato, but is a lot sweeter. This plant is grown primarily in the Far East in Asia and is used very commonly to make tea beverages, especially bubble tea. And if you want to enjoy the flavor of this sweet tea, you're probably going to have to go to a local import store or an Indian store to get this tea in tea bag form. Once you locate it, then we can get started. First, you're going to take your tea kettle and fill it up with some cold water. Place the tea kettle on your stove and turn your stove on high. Give some time for the water to heat up, and once you can see and hear that the water has come to a complete boil, you're now ready to brew your taro tea. We're then going to take our tea bag out of its wrapper and we're going to place it directly into our serving cup. Now today we're using an 8-ounce serving cup, but you could use one tea bag for up to 12 ounces of hot water. Once that's in there, we're then going to take our boiling water and we're going to pour it over top of the tea bag. Now it's important that you do submerge the tea bag fully so that this initial heat is able to extract the contents that's in the tea bag appropriately. You're going to want to leave some room at the top here, about an inch or an inch and a half of room, just because we are using boiling water, and you're going to want to leave some room in case you do want to add some cream or sugar later on. And then we're just going to let the tea bag sit in the hot water for a few minutes. After the taro tea bag has sat in the hot water for about 2 to 4 minutes, you're then ready to remove it from the beverage. Take a teaspoon, place some pressure against the tea bag, against the back of the teaspoon, getting rid of some of the excess liquid that's left in the bag. Once you've done that, you're then ready to serve up your tea. Now, taro tea can be served with milk. It actually blends really well with dairy just because it already is sort of sweet and creamy in its essence. So you can add some milk to the beverage if you prefer, and some sugar, however you prefer to enjoy the beverage. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make taro tea. Enjoy.